Ah, the public sneeze. Nature's way of testing your social anxiety. You feel it coming. Your nose tingles. Your eyes water. It's sneeze o'clock. But you're in public, surrounded by judgmental strangers. What to do? Option 1, suppress it. Turn your face into a pressure cooker. Risk internal combustion. Option 2, let it rip. Become patient zero in the eyes of everyone around you. Option 3, the fake cough cover-up. Fool absolutely no one. In the end, you sneeze anyway. It's loud, it's messy, it's glorious. And now, the aftermath. Pretend it never happened, or make awkward eye contact and apologize to everyone within a 10-mile radius. Public sneezing, making bless you sound like how dare you since the dawn of time.